You love everything home and interior design. Now SOCO, Southern California's destination for interior design inspiration, is bringing you another binge-worthy series. We'll talk to the true masters of design to give you the tips and resources you need to master your own domain. I'm Carrie Freitas, and this is SOCO's Masters of Design. On today's episode, we'll be talking about something that's long overdue: outdoor entertaining. We've been waiting a long time to gather again safely, and now we can do it this summer in beautifully designed spaces at your home that you could find and furnish at SOCO. Whether it's the latest in furniture or accessories, we have it all here, and we'll show it to you today on a tour of SOCO. So join me as we find the best of outdoor entertaining and living this summer. We're here at Room and Board at SOCO, one of our favorite showrooms. All of their furnishings are built to be timeless, with modern style and durability. For outdoors, you'll be tempted to take some of the room and board pieces indoors because they're so beautiful and functional. They're built to be sun resistant, stain resistant, easy care, and super comfortable. So today we're looking at the Montego sofa, which has a really great line. It reminds you a little bit of the islands, hence the Montego name. Beautiful colors here. Of course, you can get different colors depending on your decor. We have the Sunford swivel chair, which really does look like an indoor piece, but is built to function outdoors and be super durable. And then we've got the Adara fire pit, which could be hard gas line or propane. A great look, super sleek, can go in any outdoor environment. And then of course, outdoor dining is gonna be big this summer, as it always is. So you'll wanna look at Room and Board's Montego dining set. Again, a beautiful wood and metal combination that looks contemporary but can still fit in traditional outdoor settings and look beautiful and function incredibly well. Now on our tour of SOCO for outdoor entertaining, we're headed to Calligaris, known for modern Italian design, where we'll look at some seating and dining options. We're here at Calligaris at SOCO, one of our, again, favorite showrooms with modern, sleek Italian designs for living, everything from the bedroom to the dining room to living and outdoor. This is one of our favorite chairs of the season. It's called the Skin Chair, and it comes in a really wonderful dining chair and also in this bar stool variety for your outdoor bar. These could go indoors and out. We love the fact that they're really comfortable, super durable and easy to clean, and go well anywhere. You can get a pop of color in your backyard using one of the colorways here. And we recommend having these not only for permanent outdoor dining and seating, but also to have them on hand for other occasions where you can take them indoor too as spare seating. So the Skin Chair line, including the bar stool at Calligaris at SOCO. We're here at Brown Jordan at SOCO. You may not know, but this was the first Brown Jordan showroom to open to consumers versus just to the trade. And it's a wonderful place to find everything you need for outdoor living and entertaining this summer and beyond. I don't know about you, I'm gonna date myself. I grew up with Brown Jordan's Tammy Emmy collection. I mean, Brown Jordan's been around for 75 years. I haven't been around as long, but it's a really classic set, and I love seeing their new modern collections on which they collaborate with noted designers to create really beautiful pieces for both outdoors and in. Here we have the Oscar collection by Anne-Marie Vering, and you'll notice this really amazing, beautiful, multi-dimensional woven rope accent. It can go with really traditional, nautical, boho, kind of any theme of your space. And I just love really the soft, luxurious look of this. Some curvature that makes it really elegant and inviting. So that's the Oscar collection at Brown Jordan. And now we're gonna show you the next collection, which is a still collection by Richard Frenier. And this is a wonderful lightweight aluminum, which makes it super easy. And again, you can see there's modular components here to move around your yard to create any number of vignettes you'd like for entertaining or just lounging. So we love, again, the lightweight aluminum for durability and function, and just a beautiful, clean, simple line that looks modern but will be timeless, just like any of Brown Jordan's pieces. So don't forget, Brown Jordan is a stop on your outdoor furnishings tour at SOCO. We're at Fimosa at SOCO, and if you're looking for stone or tile or really any surface for your home, this should be your one and only stop. They have everything, and you've never seen a selection like this. Today we're focused on outdoor spaces and outdoor space design, and Fimosa is wonderful for that too. So you'll see behind me a wall of really wonderful stone options that work well outdoors in a hardscape, whether it's part of your hardscaping in general in the yard or part of your outdoor kitchen or pavilion. So you'll see wonderful, again, some stacked stone options, really great dimensional things that, surfaces that give your space a sense of history and depth. And then also, of course, more options, brick, hexagonal tiles, and this really wonderful ceramic that we think would be great in today's outdoor kitchens. We also had the experts at Fimosa pull for us some really wonderful pool tiles that you'll want to take a look at while you're here. Everything from a terracotta, this kind of gives me a jungalow vibe that I think looks really beautiful for today's homes. And then of course, an easy way to make your new pool or refurbished older pool stand out is to replace the tile in the pool. And these would look great as accents. There are a lot of great dimensional glass and reflective surfaces to really give your pool that beautiful sparkling look. So again, Famosa Stone and Tile at SOCO for both outdoor and indoor finishes. Thank you for joining us today on SOCO's Masters of Design. We're wishing you a wonderful summer and beyond in your beautiful outdoor spaces, and we look forward to seeing you at SOCO.